हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम सीखेंगे डी से आने वाले वर्ड्स। तो चलें वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। डी फॉर DUCK डक। D for duck. D for DOG dog. D for dog. D for DRUM drum. D for drum. D for DONKEY donkey. D for donkey. D for DOLL doll. D for doll. D for DICE dice. D for dice. D for DEEP deep. D for deep. D for DUSTBIN dustbin. D for dustbin. D for DAY day. D for day. D for DOVE dove. D for dove. D for DESK desk. D for desk. D for DOLPHIN dolphin. D for dolphin. D for DEER deer. D for deer. D for DUBAI Dubai. D for Dubai. E for EGG egg. E for egg. E for ELEPHANT elephant. E for elephant. E for EAGLE eagle. E for eagle. E for EYES eyes. E for eyes. E for EAR ear. E for ear. E for EGO ego. E for ego. E for EMERALD emerald. E for emerald. E for EYELASH eyelash. E for eyelash. E for ELBOW elbow. E for elbow. E for EYEBROWS eyebrows. E for eyebrows. E for ENGLAND England. E for England. E for EGGYOLK egg yolk. E for egg yolk. E for EUROPE Europe. E for Europe. E for ELEVATOR elevator. E for elevator. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. इसी तरह बच्चों के लिए नई और दिलचस्प वीडियो देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब के बटन को दबाएं और साथ दिए गए घंटी के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें। शुक्रिया।